Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics to change system alerts. This section controls ringtones, text tones, new mail, and calendar alerts. Tap the entry labeled text tone or ringtone to view available sounds. Scroll and tap any sound to preview it immediately. If you want more options, tap Tone Store to buy tones from Apple. Purchased tones appear in your sound lists automatically. Changing these settings updates the sound for built-in system notifications only. Understand that many third-party apps control their own notification sounds. Open the specific app and look for notifications or sound settings inside it. If the app provides a custom sound option, choose or upload a file per its instructions. System settings only change built-in alert sounds like text tone and new mail. You cannot change third-party app sounds from Sounds and Haptics alone. This limitation means creating or assigning sounds sometimes requires in-app controls or to make a custom tone. Open GarageBand on your iPhone XR and create a project. Trim the audio to 40 seconds or less for notification compatibility. Tap the share icon, choose ringtone, and name the tone clearly for later selection. Export the file in GarageBand will save it under ringtones on your device. Then open Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, and select the new ringtone or text tone from the top list. You can also assign custom tones to individual contacts for specific.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.